just sit right here. There it is. It's gonna come to my speaker again, but this time I'm gonna get a better shot of it. It's right on a branch over there. It's right there. Just wait till it flies. You know where's it at now? There it goes. It's flying down. It's gonna come over. There's some other birds, guys. I've got some other little birdies over there. See them? Yeah, there they go. Yeah, you just saw a bird fly faster than a speeding bullet past my screen. Darn it. There's two birds up there. Comment down below. Which one do you think will land first? Number 1, 2, 3, or 4, or 5, or 6, or 7. No, that was a bird that just flew above my head. There's a couple of birds in the trees. There's a few of them right there. I think they're all gone. Nope, there's still somewhere in the tree. Which one do you think will go to my speaker first, guys? Comment down below. I just love nature. Nature is the best. There's one more bird in the tree, guys. If you give a thumbs up if you think it's gonna land to my speaker. I'm busting my butt off out here because I'm out in the cold. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I am. See, there's two birds right there on the fence right now. Right there. If you think one of those are gonna fly to my speaker, give me a like. Well, I think those are the wrong birds I was looking at. And the birds that was in this tree over here are gone. So, let's concentrate on these birds to see what they do. There's one up there. See, no, there's two. Shoot. Sorry for the shaking, guys. I'm just very cold. I've been doing this for 4 minutes now. I've been outside for 30 minutes. Up to an hour. I think I've been outside for an hour now. Sorry. Holy shoot. Guys. I gotta take a break, guys. See you later on. Just enjoy the sounds for like a minute or two. till I pick my phone back up. Looks like I see a minute or two. Sorry. Guys, I don't think the birds are gonna land. I think it's time for us to hit the road and come back and go in. Comment down below if you want me to stay out here. There's a bird. But it's not what I'm looking for. I think it's a pigeon. I don't have any pigeon sounds though. I am very cold. This sucks, and I wish I was recording this the first time. The first time I did this, a mockingbird flew down and landed all over the place. It was looking up and down for the bird. It didn't know where the bird was at. So I'm over here tricking birds. I've tricked a few birds. I got a couple of blue jays. I don't have them on video though. I almost did. This is very frustrating. I think I'll just go in after, if I don't get another bird. If I can't find a bird in the next 30, 20 minutes, in another 20 minutes or so, I'll just, yeah, you probably saw a bird just fly past my head. Two more just did it, one more just did it. Oh, there's one right there. It's in that tree right there. There it is. There's two of them over there. I see one in that far branch. Wait a second. There's one in that far branch, and there's the one here. Okay. Well, I see some birds, but... Oh, shooky, they moved. Okay, wait, I'm gonna try to see if that's a bird. Which I think it is. See, there's a branch. There, yep, there's a bird there. There is a bird there, but it's not the one I'm looking for. Is it? Oh, God, look at those birds. Dang, a feast. I love the food. I love birds.